Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine at your home. I am your class teacher, Mrs. Kajul Saxena. Today I will teach you English. Topic is sound of vowel I. Children, I taught you sound of vowel A and E in my previous video. Today I will teach you sound of vowel I. Now let's start. First is I. I says E. I says E. Ink pot. Now start. First letter is K. K says K. I says E. T says T. K E T. Kit. K I T. Kit. Next letter is N. N says N. I says E. B says B. N E B. Nib. N I B. Nib. Next is P. P says P. I says E. N says N. P E N. Pen. P I N. Pen. Next T. T says T. I says E. N says N. T E N. Tin. T I N. Tin. Next L. L says L. I says E. D says D. L E D. Lid. L I D. Lid. Next P. P says P. I says E. G says G. P E G. Pig. P I G. Pig. Now we will repeat. K says K. I says E. T says T. K E T. Kit. K I T. Kit. Next N says N. I says E. B says B. N E B. Nib. N I B. Nib. Next letter is P. P says P. I says E. N says N. P E N. Pin. P I N. Pin. Next T says T. I says E. N says N. T E N. Tin. T I N. Tin. Next L. L says L. I says E. D says D. L E D. Lid. L I D. Lid. Next P. P says P. I says E. G says G. P E G. Pig. Pig. P I G. Pig. Now children, hope you all are understood sound of vowel I. Keep writing in your notebook. Thank you.